staff of MSAF Bulavanaka, very good morning to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here this morning to present the new MSAF uniforms to all the enforcement officers. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you must all remember this, that uniforms are more than just clothing. It's an extension of work culture and gives confidence to our officers and they belong, and it's actually something that spells out that you're actually part of a team and it serves a common purpose. The uniforms that you've actually received today give you identity as MSAF officers and marine officials. And when teams are actually proud of what they wear, it flows and enhances staff retention and ultimately customer experience. This is what we want for MSAF to strive, and a well-knitted team that works to deliver their best to all Fijians. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the maritime and shipping industry is an important lifeline in Fiji. It connects our maritime islands to the main ports and towns and cities. The industry really is the key link to the movement of people, economic activities, and cargo. It's important that sea transport is regulated effectively and efficiently, with safety being paramount. Shipping has been described by the IMO, the International Maritime Organization, as perhaps the most international of the world's great industries, and also one of the most dangerous. The numerous safety features incorporated in modern ships did not come about by chance or simply by the foresight of the more diligent ship owners. They resulted from rules imposed by classification societies and flag states or by legislation. This is why the Maritime Safety Administration, like MSAF, is important in Fiji. The objective of a Maritime Safety Administration is to provide the government with the machinery to satisfactorily and efficiently undertake functions which are embodied in the maritime transport regulations. The main role of an administrator like MSAF is to ensure that international conventions such as what we call SOLAS, which is the Safety of Life at Sea Convention on the protection of the marine environment, like MAPO and the Maritime Labour Convention, are actually embedded in our national legislations and enforced for safety of all those that actually rely on shipping. I've been informed that MSAF has taken positive steps towards improving its services through re-engineering its processes, such as improving its process turnaround times for certain transactions. We're now down to, I think, the minimum is about 14 days. MSAF is also currently working with the stakeholders in the areas of mutual cooperation for information and resource sharing, aimed at improving our services and the implementation of key projects in the areas of oil spills and navigational aids, upgrade and ships tracking systems. And small initiatives like this support the government plans in modernizing the maritime sector and requiring greater commitment to service delivery. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, MSAF is important, and it's to ensure that maritime users meet all safety standards and its services are provided in an efficient manner that comply with regulatory requirements. The Safety, Compliance and Response Department of MSAF, whose uniforms are being issued this morning, play an essential role in enforcing our maritime laws and regulations and clearance of vessels, verifying maritime documents, managing incidents, and safe loading of cargo and passengers. These are extremely important responsibilities and shouldn't be taken lightly. There are 28 enforcement officers across 12 ports of call in and around Fiji, and the uniforms that they've been handed today goes with the hope that it will assist you in carrying out your duties diligently and with pride. And when you wear these uniforms, ladies and gentlemen, you're not improving just the organization's image and visibility on the ground. You're actually ensuring MSAF's brand is at the forefront and it resonates with what it stands to the public. So I urge you to be honest and transparent in your roles and take ownership and treat your uniforms as a badge of servitude. Now, before I actually conclude, the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism, Transport will continue to carry out its mandate of implementing policies and strategies that facilitate growth for the industries in Fiji, including the maritime and shipping industry. We're always available to provide the necessary advice and assist MSAF in ensuring that it effectively and efficiently implements strategies in line with government's overall vision. So with those few words, I convey my best wishes to the team and to Executive Chair for doing a wonderful job, and to the board and the staff of MSAF. Thank you very much. Vinavale.